Hello everyone, today we will study about verbs. So let's start with the definition of verb. A verb is used to denote what a person, thing or animal does, what a person, animal or thing is, or what a person, animal or thing has. In a very simple way, we can say that verbs are action, being and belonging words. Action words means that the words that tell what a person does, and being verbs means the words that tell what a person is, and the belonging verbs means the verbs that tell what a person or thing has. For example, doing verbs. Doing verbs means action words. As I have already told you here, action words tells what a person does. For example, eat, read, drink, talk, dance, walk, etc. As Varun is talking to Soumya, in this example, is talking is action word, means doing word. In another example, I do my work every day. Here do is action verb. So do is doing verb or action verb. Next is being verb. Is, are, am, was, were, will be and shall be are being verbs. Veena is an intelligent girl. He was happy. So in these sentences, is and was are being verbs. Have verbs means belonging verbs that tells what does a person have. So have, has, had, will have or shall have. These are belonging verbs. For example, the chair has 4 legs. What does the chair have? The chair has 4 legs. So has is belonging verb. Now let's read about the kinds of verbs. So here are two main kinds of verbs, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs require objects to complete their sense. Means transitive verbs are incomplete without an object. Intransitive verb does not require any object to complete their sense. Means they don't need any object. Transitive verb gives answer to the questions what or whom. Means if we ask question to the object what or whom, it gives answer. For example, he played cricket. If we ask question what did he play, so we are getting answer of what. He played cricket. And here played is verb. So played is transitive verb because here we are getting the answer of what. And next example, farmer killed a snake. If we ask question, whom did farmer kill? So we will get answer farmer killed a snake. So we are getting answer of whom also. So in this example, killed is transitive verb. Next one, intransitive verb. Intransitive verb doesn't give answer to these questions, means what or whom question. For example, he smiled. If we ask question, what did he smile, whom did he smile, we are not getting any answer. So in this example, smile is intransitive verb. Next example, the sun rises in the morning. In this example also we are not getting answer of what or whom question. So rises is intransitive verb because it is not giving answer of what or whom question. I hope you have understood very well that transitive verbs requires objects to complete their sense, means they are incomplete without an object. Just like he played cricket. If there is no cricket, it will be incomplete. So transitive verbs are always incomplete without object, and they give answer to the questions what or whom. While intransitive verbs are quite opposite to transitive verbs. Okay, thank you.